All right, let's jump right in. Today we're doing a deep dive on a specific piece of hardware. It's the Key Digital KD-PS22UTX.
Hmm. And on paper, it's listed as a 4K 18G HDMI over HDBaseT extender.
Which, sounds pretty straightforward, but it's really one of those unsung heroes of modern AV, isn't it?
It absolutely is. We all know how it goes with standard HDMI cables. You try to go past, what, 25 feet?
Oh, you're asking for trouble. Signal just drops off a cliff.
Exactly. So this little box is designed to solve that. It can push a full 4K UHD signal up to 328 feet. That's 100 meters.
100 meters. And if you're working with 1080p, it gets even crazier. We're talking nearly 500 feet.
But look, for anyone installing this stuff, distance is just one piece of the puzzle. The real magic, I think, is how it manages the bandwidth.
Right, 18 gigabits per second, that's the number you need to hit if you want true 4K at 60 frames a second without weird color issues.
It is. A lot of older HDBaseT extenders, they capped out around 10.2 Gbps. So if you tried to send a really high-quality signal through them, you'd get artifacts, color banding.
That blocky, compressed look.
Yeah, that. This uses what they call visually lossless compression. It's smart enough to handle formats that go past that 10 gig barrier, so your 4K 64.4.4 video looks just as clean on the other end.
So fidelity is preserved, even over massive distances, but honestly just extending video, that's kind of expected these days. The feature that really caught my eye is what they're calling the soft codec enabling system.
Ah, yes. This is the part that really adapts to how we actually have meetings now.
What do you mean by that?
Well, the codec, the brain of the conference call, it's not some big expensive box in a rack anymore. It's your laptop.
Your laptop running Zoom or Teams, the whole bring your own device model.
Right. And the big headache has always been, how do you connect that laptop to the room's good camera and good microphones without a bird's nest of cables and adapters?
This solves that.
It does. It has USB 2.0 ports built right into the transmitter plate on the wall. So that one connection point isn't just for video anymore. It's a two-way street for data.
Oh, I see. So I plug in my laptop with HDMI and USB, and suddenly I'm connected to the fancy PTZ camera on the far wall and the ceiling mics?
Instantly. It brings the entire command center right to the table. No more fumbling with separate USB extenders or complex programming. It turns this extender into a full-on presentations switcher for AV and for data.
And it has two HDMI inputs, so you can switch between presenters.
Yep. With a push button, or you can even control it over the network. It's built for a smooth handoff.
Okay, let's talk about reliability, because we've all been in that meeting where the screen just flickers or goes black, the dreaded handshake failure.
Yeah, that's where their full buffer system comes in. It's basically a signal conditioner.
So it's actively, reclocking the signal to clean up any jitter?
It's doing that, yes. But maybe the most important thing it does is manage the HTTP authentication locally.
Ah, the copyright handshake.
Exactly. By handling it right there in the box, it prevents the screen from dropping out just because the source and the display had a momentary disagreement. It acts as a buffer, keeping that connection rock solid.
I also saw it supports ARC and eIRC for audio and has a whole library of ED handshakes built in.
And that ED part is so crucial. It makes sure your laptop knows immediately what kind of screen it's talking to, so it sends the right resolution from the get-go. No more weird, stretched images.
So to wrap this up, what we're really looking at is this small 1-pound box that's a long-distance extender, a USB hub, and a signal stabilizer all rolled into one.
It's the bridge, really. A bridge between the simple software on your laptop and the powerful professional hardware in the room.
So here's something to think about. The next time you walk into a conference room, plug in one cable and everything just works. Take a second to consider the invisible tech like this in the wall. Managing a complex digital handshake between your laptop and a screen that could be hundreds of feet away.
It's the kind of technology that makes the incredibly complex feel effortless.